Alright, when we get all our full panels and the fields done, we can go ahead and come back and measure our ridge, or if this is a head wall, it would be the same process. We're just going to measure from our bend down here to my 2x2 buildup. And then we'll go ahead and write that down and count how many panels you need across that ridge or that head wall. Alright, so when we're doing a short course on a head wall or a ridge, we'll go ahead and get our measurements from the roof. And we'll find that same spot that we measured from. We'll go ahead and do a bend line and a cut line. We want to do a minimum of 2 inches when we're on a head wall and 2 inches when we're on a ridge. We'll go ahead and do that bend line, and we can bring a straight edge and cut our cut line. Now here we're going to go ahead and go to the back of the bender and bend first. We'll put that bend in there. Hold that up. Now after we're done bending that, we'll want to take our mallet and just pop out the low parts of that panel. And then we'll go ahead and take it over to our cutter. It'll be ready to hand up on the roof for install. Alright, so once we get all our ridge pieces cut and bent, bring them back up here. We'll want to go ahead and put a fastener in the left side. Then we'll put one in the right side. And then we'll force down the middle and finish off with fastening. And then make sure they're going the same plane as the rest of the roof. And then once you get them there, go ahead and put some fasteners in the back in my 2x2 buildup. Now if I'm using my top row, my barrel vault top row, I'm just going to go ahead and cut my panel. We can go ahead and do that mark. All we do is need to make a cut line. We can come across and mark that. Go ahead and take it to your cutter. Then what you can do is just give this a little bend in the low parts of the panel. And just kind of give that a little, just a V-shaped form there. And then it'll be ready to go when I get to that ridge with my top row. Alright, so when I get to our short course, you can either fold up the panel 2 inches, or if I'm doing ridge with my barrel vault top row, I can go ahead and just take my hand seamers and go ahead and put a fold on that and just cut it across. Either way, we're going to install the same. We're going to install one on the left side. Make sure it's seated correctly, and then stick one in the right side. And then we'll go ahead and push down that middle and finish fastening those off. So either way is acceptable when we're using the top row. Next, we'll go ahead and either take our barrel vault foam closure, or we can use our M-Seal. Go ahead and put that across. And then we'll come back with our barrel vault top row. And we'll fasten these down through the barrel, just like so. And then we'll also fasten through the top course.